Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a Zoom link to your Teachable course. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills needed to successfully integrate Zoom into your online course. First, you need to create a Zoom meeting and obtain the meeting link. To do this, log into your Zoom account and click on the Schedule a Meeting button. Fill in the meeting details, such as the topic, date, and time, and make sure to select the recurring meeting option if your course has multiple sessions. Once you have created the meeting, you will receive a unique meeting link that you can copy and paste into your Teachable course. Next, log into your Teachable account and navigate to the course where you want to add the Zoom link. Click on the Lectures tab and select the specific lecture where you want to add the link. In the lecture editor, click on the Add Text button and paste the Zoom meeting link into the text box. You can also add a brief description or instructions for your students, such as click on this link to join the live session. To make the link more accessible to your students, you can also add it to the course curriculum page. To do this, click on the Curriculum tab and select the section where you want to add the link. Click on the Add a New Lecture button and select the text option. Paste the Zoom meeting link into the text box and add a title and description to the lecture. Best practices for adding a Zoom link to your Teachable course include making sure to test the link before sharing it with your students, using a consistent format for adding links to all your lectures, and providing clear instructions on how to use the link. You should also consider adding a backup plan in case the Zoom link does not work, such as providing a phone number or email address where students can contact you for support. In conclusion, adding a Zoom link to your Teachable course is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily integrate Zoom into your online course and provide your students with a seamless learning experience. Remember to test the link, provide clear instructions, and have a backup plan in place to ensure a smooth and successful learning experience for your students.